Why simplify rational expressions before multiplying? Imagine you are about to multiply to fractions, and one looks huge with lots of numbers and variables. It might seem easier to just multiply everything straight across. But hold on, there is a smarter way that saves you time and avoids mistakes. Simplifying rational expressions before multiplying is the key. A rational expression is a fraction where both the top and bottom are polynomials, which are expressions with variables and numbers. When you simplify, you look for common factors in the numerator and denominator. These are parts of the expressions that are the same and can be cancelled out. Simplifying makes the expressions smaller and easier to work with. Why do this first? Well, first, it reduces the complexity. When you cancel common factors early, you end up with smaller numbers and fewer terms. That makes multiplying much easier and less likely to lead to errors. Second, it helps you avoid doing unnecessary work. If you multiply big, complicated expressions first, you might end up with huge polynomials that need to be simplified again later. Simplifying beforehand keeps things simple from the start. Third, simplifying helps you see any restrictions. Sometimes the denominator can be 0, which makes the expression undefined. If you simplify first, you can spot these restrictions easily and avoid mistakes. Fourth, remember that you can only cancel entire factors, not just parts of terms. Simplifying by factoring first makes sure you only cancel what is truly common, preventing incorrect simplifications. Finally, simplifying before multiplying helps you understand the structure of rational expressions better. It reinforces the idea of factoring and seeing how the parts fit together. For example, if you have two rational expressions to multiply, you can factor each numerator and denominator first. Then, cancel any common factors across the expressions. This leaves you with a much simpler final answer and fewer chances of making mistakes. So, in short, simplifying rational expressions before multiplying makes the whole process easier, faster, and more accurate. It helps you see the problem clearly and understand the algebra behind it. This approach is a smart step in learning how to work with rational expressions and inequalities, making your math work smoother and more manageable.